Good morning. Okay, today, this is a tight space, so I can't really zoom out. We're going to be installing this SturdiFit panel, 5-piece panel, bathtub shower surround from Home Depot. First thing you want to do is make sure your walls are nice and clean. This is new sheetrock, green board. What was here was the old glue-on stuff, and it was awful looking. Then when we pulled the old panel off, it just took out chunks of sheetrock paper. There was mold behind it. This thing's been here for, who knows, 40 years maybe, I don't know. It's an old one. So we ripped it all out. I ripped it all out, put all new sheetrock. Now, I didn't paint, as you can see, I didn't paint a lot of this. Because I don't think it's necessary. I did prime it. I believe in primer. Primer's job is to make stuff stick better, whether it's paint or glue, whatever. That's its primary purpose. So anyway, I primered this. So I've made my marks. I don't know if you can see these. This is where the top of the panel is. You come in, you lay your marks, and see there. Now this particular surround is 58 inches tall, so I'm going to draw a line all the way around so I know where my panels is, and also on my sides. Here's my side marker right there, and going down. So can you see that? So anyway, we'll fix and get started here. So I'll draw this out, then I'm going to bring my panels in, dry fit them, and then after I dry fit them, we'll put adhesive on. We'll mark where each panel goes and where each corner piece goes, and then we're going to dry fit them. I'll hold them in tape, make sure it looks. Eventually I will drill this panel for, well, this one doesn't drill. I'll just have to cut out a little bit here because 58 inches is about right there at the bottom, so we'll get that. But for my tub spout and all that, I'll mark and drill all that out. So anyway, this is where we're at. I'll catch you up as we get along. But so next time you see it, I should have the panels dry fitted and maybe pull them off and have the glue in place. So anyway, let me get to it and get right back to you. Okay. I've had to do some modifications to this. Originally was thinking that this was just the new faucet would be plug and play, but no, it's not. It's the single cartridge with a faucet down here, and it's going to have a shower head up in here. And once I took the instructions out, before I started to tape this up, I took the instructions out of here and started looking, and wow, I'm glad I did, because I would have been a world of hurt if I just thought this would, been like the old one. So if you're going with a new faucet, shower fixture and stuff, take the instructions out and make sure that everything's going to work before you put your panels on. So we're here at the tape up stage. We got most of these taped up. I've got to wait for the mud to dry there just a little bit more, and I'll be done. I can put this one up. Still got to put the tub spout in right here. So this is where I'm at now. It's just about ready to glue up. Also, and I didn't see this on instructions, it may have been, I don't know if you can see it now. Oh, you can't because this panel's behind it. But this has a film on it, and I would take it off. Maybe you can see that. See it right there? It's just I thought it should have had one, but I didn't see it mentioned in the instructions. So make sure you take your film off, because that could cause your world of hurt. Also, this is an old home, and I don't know if you can see my lines or not, but this wall is out of square, which is typical. It's bowed out. Here comes my paint off, my tape off again. That's what painter's tape is good for. Maybe I'll go get my Gorilla tape. So anyway, just to update, dry fit your walls, and then we'll see once we get our tub spout located and put in, we'll see where we go here. But we'll get this glued on today. Okay, check back later. Okay, panels are all up. This went up pretty much without a hitch. Still gotta finish the patch on where the old shower head was and cut the hole for the new one. But the panels themselves are up, caulked with DAP 3.0. When you're spreading the DAP 3.0, use alcohol or mineral spirits on your fingers so it doesn't stick, because once it does, it is a booger to get off. You don't want to just put water on it thinking it's acrylic caulk or latex caulk, because you'll have problems. So the other thing is, I had a 4-inch hole saw and I needed a 4.5, so I went ahead and cut this with for the control 4-inch, and then I measured a 1/4 inch, put 1/4 inch marks past the original ones and scored it. And then this stuff is really even scored, it was kind of tough, so I had to, once I scored the circle, or connected the dots or lines around there for the 4.5 inch, I then cut little slots in them and just broke the little tabs off around there, and that's how I've got the 4.5 inch. It'd been quicker if I'd had the 4.5 inch, but I didn't. So here's for my tub spout. I really like this. This is pretty awesome. What else I can tell you? I mean, it's just put your power grab on the walls, spread it with a trowel, stick it up, and you're good to go. Do need to dry fit it though. Don't forget to dry fit. Now I've got to come back and caulk around the edges here. Everybody says, well, not everybody, but a lot of people on the review says, oh, I wish I had a trim kit. After you caulk these edges, I really don't know why you would need a trim kit. So it's because it's going to look pretty good. So I'm not a big fan of caulking the bottoms of any shower, because this tubs have lips on them, and in my opinion, they're there for, if any water gets behind it, to come down to the lip and run out. But I understand most people, a lot of people do, and the instructions, sorry about that, the instructions did say to caulk the bottom, so I actually put a bead of caulk before you put the panels on, and then and once you got it all glued, come back and caulk it, the bottoms and edges again. That's what I did. Now these do come with film. I didn't pull this one off. The problem I found, this one, at least, there it is. I feel it on there. I didn't pull this one off. The problem I found with this one is, once you're supposed to put your panels up there and then pull them back for 30 seconds and let the air out. I guess it has solvent in it or something, air out, and then put it back. Well, I got that 3.0 on this. I had already pulled the plastic off and it stuck. I mean, that 3.0 sticks to everything. So and it's really a booger. You can see right here where I got some yesterday and I didn't notice it until today. I'm still trying to get all that off. So saying that, I wish I'd left that film on, and then when that got on it, even though it was behind there, I would have just pulled it off and that 3.0. So, hey, SturdiFit glue up shower panels 5-piece kit from Home Depot. Guys, I don't know what else you want. I mean, unless you want tile or the stuff from, I can't remember what it is. I've got another video on it, I think, from Lowe's. But anyway, hey, this turned out really well. Liking it. So, anybody should be able to put this up. You just take your time, double check, triple check your measurements, especially if you're having to cut, and you should be okay. So, Donald, Blue Collar DIY. Catch you on down the road.